pitch right with it. What's happening, Facebook?
Another one.
What's happening, YouTube? Yeah, bro. I done motherfucking pulled the carb off, right? I did the tank over. Did that shit yesterday. Everything good. New Sparky. Man, this shit right here on the choke was so crusty. I pulled it out. It was just crusty, bro.
Oh my God.
Go over here. Bust out the carb. Man, I'm talking about. It was just like calcium build-up type shit. Just grunge and crap. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, I had to get to that. Once I kicked it out, I'm like, shit started last night. Started last night because I had a little bit of fuel left in the bowl. Pulled the bowl off, turned the fuel line on. No gas coming out. Pull the carb off. So yeah, man, he getting clean right now. Gonna spray down the rest of that. We're gonna crank him up. It should work now. That was the cause. That was the cause right there. I wasn't getting on fire. I'm chasing every damn thing else. Just that. So yeah, man, I'm about to run in here, clean it up real fast, and yeah, we're gonna crank him up. Yes, sir, gang. What's going on? So I slid over here. Had to get my little boy back bike right. Can't fix me and have him out the game. Yeah, man. So everything in there, I'm all looking good, to be honest. So when I took the side off, this was down there. The nut was down there, and this wasn't on, basically. Now I can actually hear. I can hear it now grabbing. It wasn't doing that earlier. So shit, y'all. All that cleaning the carb and shit. I might have got to the problem, y'all. I hope. You know, the chain's still on there. You know, this little
Wait a minute. Who
the chain's still
are
on
you?
back there. He good. I know he running up here. He around that. I should just take it off and see. But if it's doing that, it's on track. So I ain't tripping. I'm just trying to get him back running.
Six and a half hours later. 5 minutes later. 2 hours later.
On the pitch right with it. Whole goddamn. Damn. fucked my shoes up, man. Almost broke my damn foot off. Look at that shit, bro. See why I point to have boots? I don't know what I hit right there. But if it wasn't for this hard part in the front, well, I'm told right there, it'd be toasty.
Oui, oui.
Ain't doing that. Mix it up. Get some. Get some. Bruh.
Oui.
shouted. Grew up with them Glock 40s. 17 got my first stick. 18 hit my first lick.